Namaskar dear students, how are you? Fine. Yesterday results of Gujarat board declared according to grand and great tradition of Rishabh Dev Web Sciences for last 31 years. This year also our beloved student Chiranjeevi Manan Patel secured 99.67 PR. Congratulations to him and all other beloved students and best wishes for their great and bright future. Prayers to Ma Sharda. We are discussing inverse trigonometric function troubleshooting. Problem 1. 4 sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi, then find x. Here 4 sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi. Therefore we can write like this. This 4 sin inverse x can be written as 3 sin inverse x plus sin inverse x, and this plus cos inverse x. Now we know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. So we can put pi by 2 for this bracket. So 3 sin inverse x plus pi by 2 equals to pi. So 3 sin inverse x equals to pi minus pi by 2. That is pi by 2. So these 3 can be in denominator. So sin inverse x will be equal to pi by 6. But we know that pi by 6 is in range of sin inverse, that is closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That's why we can write x equals to sin pi by 6, that is 1 by 2. This is actually illustration of NCERT text which I have solved by two methods. Okay, let us discuss. Given we have to prove tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square equals to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Given condition mod x less than 1 by root 3. Let tan inverse x equals to theta, okay, where theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, that is range of tan inverse, okay. Therefore x equals to tan theta. Now tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square can be written as tan inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, but this is tan 2 theta, so tan inverse of tan 2 theta. I have to check that 2 theta also belongs to range of tan inverse. For that, using this condition, mod x less than 1 by root 3 means minus 1 by root 3 less than x less than 1 by root 3. This is tan of minus pi by 6, this is tan theta, this is tan of plus pi by 6. Tan is increasing function. So we can write minus pi by 6 less than theta less than pi by 6 multiplying by 2 because we need 2 theta. Okay. So it will become minus pi by 3 less than 2 theta less than pi by 3. Now from result 1, this can be written as 2 theta. Okay. So tan inverse of tan 2 theta equals to 2 theta. This will give us identity function. So it is 2 theta. But we know that this is simplification of tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. Hence, this is theta, this is 2 theta. Okay. So let us take tan of theta plus 2 theta, that is tan of 3 theta. But we know that tan of 3 theta equals to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Putting the values. So tan of theta plus 2 theta, 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Okay. Now from result 2, multiplying this by 3 because we need 3 theta. Okay. So 3 into minus pi by 6 less than 3 theta less than 3 into pi by 6. Okay. So minus pi by 2 less than 3 theta less than pi by 2. So 3 theta belongs to range of tan inverse. So this can be written as tan inverse of, okay. So theta plus 2 theta, that is 3 theta equals to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Okay, but theta is tan inverse x, 2 theta is tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square equals to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. The other method is that LHS equals to tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Okay, this is x for us, this is y for us. We know that tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equals to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy provided xy less than 1. So that we have to check. So this is the given condition. Okay, from that, this is x for us, this is y for us. So x into y, that is x into 2x upon 1 minus x square, that is 2x square upon 1 minus x square. If you put any value in this range, okay, that is minus 1 by root 3 to plus 1 by root 3, between them, okay, because there is no equal sign here, any value you will get this as less than 1. So we can use here tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Simplifying it, okay, tan inverse of x minus x cube plus 2x divided by, see, this 1 minus x square will be cancelled, denominators of both. So this will become 1 minus x square minus 2x square. Okay, so finally 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square, that is right hand side.